Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from fifth group of discourse analysis subject. We want to present about code switching in Sasha Stephenson YouTube channel under the title of Enaknya Jadi Orang Indonesia Menurut Bule, or It's Nice Being Indonesian. Before we do our presentation, I would like to introduce my group member. First, there is Alvira Namayanti, Nedi Yulianda, Nur Yuliana, Faris Rafi Fitranur, Andini Dwi Putri, Noralpia, and Humaira Ramadana. Okay, next I would like to explain about the background of Sasha Stephenson. Before we go there, I would like to read the table of contents. First, there is background, then theoretical framework, Merckness model, analysis or the extract, and the last is conclusion. Okay, let's go to the background. Okay, Sasha Stephenson is a YouTuber who gets more than 500,000 subscribers in her channel. Sasha Stephenson was born in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada on 21st January 1982. However, she has been living in Indonesia since 2009. One of the efforts that she did to make her content interesting is she usually speaks in two languages, English and Bahasa. The video is taken from Sasha Stephenson's official YouTube channel. The title is Enaknya Jadi Orang Indonesia Menurut Bule, or It's Nice Being Indonesian. She tells about her consideration of how Indonesia foreigner point of view is, and then inspires Indonesians to explore more about their own stories. In this research, we will find out the types of code switching that she used in the related video. Okay, next. Theoretical framework will be divided by two. Okay, next. Okay. My group member will explain about that.
I will explain about code switching. Code switching is process of shifting from one linguistic code, a language or dialect, to another, depending on the social context or conversational setting. Sociolinguistic, social psycholinguistic, and identity research are interested in the ways in which code switching, particularly by members of minority ethnic groups, is used to shape and maintain a sense of identity and a sense of belonging to a larger community. In the United States, code switching was originally studied in the context of second language acquisition as the process whereby native speakers of Spanish shifted from Spanish to English and vice versa. Thank you.
Okay, next is types of code switching.
Okay, I will explain types of code switching. One, tag-like or emblematic code switching. According to Romain, text switching involves inserting text in one language and utterance with it is in another language. This switch involves the use of single word, text, and idiomatic expressions from one language in another. It also can be said that it's a combination of English exclamation and Indonesian word. It's usually interjection in another language. Insert in the utterance. The example is from Habibah. Awas, there is a cat. To intersentential code switching. This type of code switching requires the least integration as code switching happens between sentences. It takes place after she or he complete a sentence in one language, then switches to another language in the next sentence. It also occurs in the same conversation turn. Example, terima kasih sudah meluangkan waktu untuk saya. I have so much fun day. Lain kali lagi ya. Next, intra-sentential code switching. Intra-sentential code switching requires a lot of integration and is usually associated with the most fluent bilingual. Intra-sentential switching is also called as code mixing. It occurs within a sentence. Intra-sentential involves using a single morpheme, phrase or clause along with words, phrase and clause from another language within some sentence. The classic sentence example, sometimes I will start a sentence in English and finish in Spanish.
Okay, the next is Magnus model.
Okay, so I will explain about the Magnus model. There are some motivation for using code switching in all language and situation. It allows speaker to access all code choice or as more or less unmarked or market for the exchange type in which they occur. The Magnus models use the market and unmarked distinction as theoretical construction to explain the social motivation for making one code choice over another. Motivation in using code switching according to Mars, Karan, Alvida, dan Maya can be explained.
So I will explain about the two types of motivation in using code switching according to Myers. First is code switching as an on-market choice. The switching is the on-market choice for participants based on situational factors. On-market code switching occurs when there is an expected or on-market language choice for each speaker that relates to social context. And the second is code switching as marked choice. Marked code switching indicates a range of emotions such as anger, even affection to show assertion of ethnic identity. And that's enough for me.
Okay, next is analysis or the extract.
Okay, we'll explain about analysis or the extract. Extract 1. Then she got your pants when you see there angka 4. Habis itu kembali aja and blow your mind because you were beginning to think that all of Indonesia was Muslim and tiba-tiba ada babi besar lagi diguling dan mereka makan. In the above extract, of course, using the code switching. Habis itu kembali aja and blow your mind because you're beginning to think that all of Indonesia was Muslim and tiba-tiba ada babi besar lagi diguling dan dimakan. SS explained about the price of the pants cheap and she thinks Indonesians don't eat pork because she thinks Indonesia is a Muslim country. Extract 2. While you're doing kondangan and basa-basi, I was sitting, listening this woman tell me the story of how she was 13 years old. Her mother put makeup on her, dressed her up, brought her to the club, and sold her to a man to the Jakarta as a sex slave. Then she escaped, worked her ass to put herself to university, and once wanted to be a film director. In the data above, kondangan in dictionary means invitation or be invited, while basa-basi in dictionary means chit-chat. These words above are code switching. According to Myers, Scatton, the material of code switching is any size from a single morpheme or lexeme to several constituents, and it occurs to lexeme and single lexical borrowing. In this case, SSU uses the words in Bahasa Indonesia, even though in English has words that the same meaning as Bahasa Indonesia, as she wants to show culture terms. The data contain words in Bahasa Indonesia, kondangan, basa-basi, etc. These words are considered as the parts of code switching as it is being changed into Bahasa Indonesia because she wants to emphasize the words in Bahasa Indonesia. She may have known the meaning of these words so that she puts them in the right way in terms of grammar. Okay, thank you.
Okay, the next is the conclusion.
Okay, I want to explain about the last part. The last part is conclusion. As we know, Sacha Stevenson is a Canadian who has been living in Indonesia since 2009. She is fluent in both of English and Bahasa Indonesia. In this research, we find out code switching occurring in a YouTube video entitled Enaknya Jadi Orang Indonesia Menurut Bule or It's Nice Being Indonesia by Sacha Stevenson. In this video, we find 15 extracts of code switching. The extract has been classified based on the types. Moreover, in this research show the social function of code switching occurring in the video. We uses the theory of Markness model by Myers-Scouton, marked choice, and unmarked choice. Based on data analysis, we are determined that code switching used in the video are used to show an emotion or expression, to emphasize message, and to replace some words that don't exist in English. Thank you.
Okay, so that's all is our presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya,